Hello, welcome to this new video where I will introduce the new BIM Alphabet Education platform. So, a little bit of history. I did start working on this platform back in December 24, where I did do a lot of thinking. Should I create my own platform or should I just use Udemy or some other platform just to store the content? But I decided that because in my mind and in some greater plan, I have a lot of customization that I would like to do, so that would be impossible with other platforms. So I decided to start developing my own. And at that moment, I just wanted to see how complicated it is to create your own video player and to introduce some protections, and because this first course is free, I didn't bring all the protection that are needed in the future versions when we will also have payment systems. But okay, some things are implemented and it will be good for streaming service, but the others will be implemented in the future. Then from February to June, I just took the time to create this first course. I did thought that it would be faster, and on purposely I did start doing the course on Serbian language because that is my native language, and I did have impression that I will do that in a couple of weeks. But when you have a job and when you also have paid projects on the side, it is very hard to commit efficiently time for course creation. So you need to prepare all the content, you need to record all the content, and also you need to edit, then to write some descriptions, to create thumbnails, and so on. So that took way longer than what I expected. And then from mid-September, I did use almost all my free time to develop this platform and to test it and to prepare it good enough for this beta version where I will invite first users to try it. And below we also have some notes, and I would like for you who is someone that will learn and it is willing to test, just please read those notes. This is a first course, this is a brand new education platform. We can encounter many bugs. I did test and resolve a lot of things. I think that maybe I did over engineer this platform, but I really wanted for you to have a good user experience. But again, it can happen that you will find some bugs and that not everything will be perfect. I don't have a feeling. I did buy some streaming server and I have some bandwidth, but I don't know how many users we will have. I also don't know in which speed we will use the bandwidth which is available. It can happen that we basically use entire bandwidth, and it's questionable in this moment. Will I invest more money to buy more bandwidth to maybe purchase new server and things like that, because on purposely I wanted to create a free course, so I don't know how fast we will use that bandwidth. I have some rough estimations, but we will see. It is possible that you watch 10 out of 17 videos and basically we will use entire bandwidth because we will have 20 users watching at the same time. It is possible. I just want to say it is possible. And I did divide what is the production side of the platform and what is the development. But then it is possible that fixing some bug that you may report will also cause some other issues. So those are like general notes, and just I want to explain and be very clear about them. What is the future plan? I want to create also the content on English for Dynamo, for Revit, for BIM in general, for coordination platforms, for the standards and so on. But as you can see, it will took some time for me alone to create that content, and that is why I would really like to invite all other content creators that maybe already have some video materials that they want to share, or maybe they want to record some of their knowledge on the local. language, so that is also a good thing. I don't have at this moment payment system, but if, I don't know, 10 creators contact me and they really want to join, I will do my best, even maybe employ someone to help me with further development, and then okay, we can create together a system which will work for you and also for me. What is the end goal? This is really what I have in mind before I did start developing of anything. I just have an impression that we are missing a service where uh, somebody who wants to learn, like an individual or a company, should have some service when they will come and pick the course and maybe ask for the offer or maybe just go with the price on the site, and then they will receive an invoice and they will pay, and they will have some infrastructure where they will assign, for example, if the company buy 5 seats, they will enter what is the email, what is the username, what is the password, and they will assign access to the platform, and, and basically both of us together should have minimal wasted time in this purchase and assignment of the users. Basically, everything should be done on the platform without me in live accessing it, approve it, and so on. So I really want to have a system where everything is automatic, where users can watch courses on demand when they have a time. So that is some great goal, and I think we will get there. Now, just to walk you through the site, I will create more detailed video about all the features that I did created on the platform. But this is right, like a really quick instruction just for you to have a sense what is possible, what is not possible. So this is the main site. Maybe you know, maybe you don't know, but BIM Alphabet site exists, I think, for 2 years now. And also, if you take a look on the YouTube, we have a small video channel. We have some add-in that we did create, yeah, 2 years ago. We have some add-in that we did create 2 months ago. Beside that, BIM Alphabet started basically from Dynamo scripts. Maybe you know for this dynamoscripts.com, maybe you don't know. I'm Nenad Kovacevic. I'm the guy who did create this website. I did have a payment for some script packages, but like, I don't know, 2 months ago, I decided to share all my scripts for free. So now you can go to this link and you have almost 90 scripts that you can download for free. And from this site, and this site is something that is over 5 years old. So at some moment I did also start creating Revit add-ins, and also some other guys joined. So now we are offer Dynamo script creation, Revit add-ins creation, but also I want to start with this education path. So now if you go to the educationbeamalphabet.com, you should access this web page. And now what you did see before, beamalphabet.com, that is a WordPress site on separate server and everything. This education, beamalphabet.com, it's on separate server, and this is a landing page, and basically everywhere you go from here will be a like minimalist design, uh, because I wanted for you to focus on the content, not on the beauty of the website. So from here you can see that right now we have just one course, that's a Dynamo for Revit beginner course on Serbian language, and you can see a description over here. And also what I plan to do in the future is to create Revit mechanical and basically all Revit MEP courses, also some course for the Autodesk Construction ACC, and it will be great if we also include your course. So if you have a content, if you're interested, please contact me and we can start from there. Over here we have a couple of navigation. You can go back to the BIM Alphabet, you can see about our solutions and so on. But if you plan to use this platform, what will be very important for you, if you spot any bug, please contact me. You have this form, you can describe, is it related to the course, is it related to some video, what is the issue with the site, with the platform, with the video. So please, if you start using this platform and you see some bug, please fill this form. To view the content of this course, you can click over here. And it is important for me to say that entire platform is immediately developed to be scalable. So it's very easy now to add 15 courses and to add 100 videos. This platform is modular. We can change the server, we can add more courses, we can add more videos. It's very easy. We have some description. You can, if you are getting here for the 20th time, so you don't want to see this description, you can toggle to choose do you want to see it or not. If you want immediately to say download certificate, the system will tell you to log in. And okay, we can also log in, but again, you have over here 17 different videos. You have also the section where you can leave the feedback. Also, each and every video also have some section for the feedback, but there is a lot of logic behind. So in order to download the certificate, you must fill watch time of every video to be at least 85%. You must also fill the feedback for all videos. Maybe that is not something which is good from the user perspective, but for me, since this is a first course and a premium platform, for me that is the most valuable thing. So please invest 10-15 seconds after you watch the video just to leave some feedback. It can be one sentence, it can be just to rate it from 1 to 5, anything. It's highly appreciated. So thank you in advance for this. So okay, then when you want to watch some video, you have some visuals which will tell you what is the progress on that video, how many videos you did already see. For each and every video you have a description. It's very minimalist design, but on the other hand, I think it does have everything that you need, and it will also perfectly work on the tablets. It will very good work on mobile phones, but I'm not sure for this type of course. Is it a cell phone something which is functional? So, but I did test it and it works okay. So this is it for this short video. I hope you will like and use this platform. And also, if you're watching this on YouTube or on LinkedIn or anything, any feedback to this idea, to this platform is highly valuable. Even if you don't like it, even if you want to say what should be improved, everything is okay. Any feedback is highly valuable. So thank you in advance for that. See you in the next video. Bye.